Hello guys, we're back with another tutorial video. Today we are not at the console, we're in game. This is another plugin video for Minestone Hosting specifically. I'll leave links in the description, or a link for Minestone Hosting where you can buy a server. But today we're doing a tutorial on a plugin called Chunky, which allows users to pre-generate their worlds and basically improve the performance of their servers. So we're going to quickly just fly to a better piece of this, because this is awful. Honestly, this spawn is terrible. It's kind of flat here. We'll just do it here. It's fine. So what you want to do with Chunky is you want to figure out basically how big you want the border. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the border for this tutorial, I don't know, 1,000. Okay. We're also going to center it on us because we want it centered on us, because it being centered on us. We're also going to set the spawn. It being centered on us means it starts generating where we're standing now, and then we'll continue going from there. So we've set the spawn, we've centered it with a command. So we've set the world border to 1,000. So the way we've done that is /world border set 1,000. And then we've centered it with this command, and then we've set the spawn. So now what we're going to do is Chunky world border. And what that'll do is grab the world border that you have set and say, okay, what is it? So it's 500 by 500, because it's 1,000 the wide. It's 1,000 blocks, so it's 500 by 500 by 500. So 500 by 500. So that's fine. So it's grabbed that, and then what we want to do is Chunky center. That'll center it on us, and then start. So that'll start generating the world. If you go back to your console, you guys won't be able to see this, but if you go back to your console, you'll be able to see it generating, and it will be done in 18 seconds. It's at 49%. In 9 seconds it's almost done, and it's done. And now it's done. And in console it will say actually I can show this. I will show this to you guys. It will say this. So as you can see, these are the commands that I've done, and then there's all the chunks being loaded. It took 18 seconds to do 1,000 chunks. So yeah guys, that's it. That's Chunky for you. I'm going to switch back to the game. Yep, I'm going to switch back to the game, and there you go. So that's Chunky for you guys, and yeah, we've pre-generated our world, so now chunks will load really quickly, and you'll be able to have more players because you'll be able to have more players because the chunks aren't being loaded by the players, and the TPS will be all the better for it. So that's it guys, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is how to use Chunky. Goodbye.